Module 4 Working with Objects. Exercise using the object repository. Start HPUFT and flight reservation. Task 1 Recording a new order. To record a new order, select File, New, Test in the Identified Functional Testing menu bar. Name your test as Objects and Create button. Ensure that the flight reservation from fields are clear. Click the Record button on the UFT toolbar. The Record and Run Settings dialog box is displayed. Enter the following flight data. Date of flight. Select a date after today. Fly from. Select Frankfurt. Fly to London. Click the Flights button. The Flights table window is displayed. Click the OK button in the Flights table window to accept the default choice. Enter the following data. Name as Emily. Tickets set to 2. And glass as first. Click the Insert button in the Flight Reservation window. Click the New Order button in the Flight Reservation window to make the form blank again and reset the end condition to be the same as the initial condition. Click the Stop button to end the recording session of UFT recording toolbar. Save your test objects by selecting File, Save Objects. Task 2 Opening the Object Repository window. To open the Object Repository window, from the UFT menu bar, select Resources, Object Repository. Task 3 Changing the logical name of an object. In the Object Repository tree, right-click the button Object. Rename to New Order. Click Enter and close the object repository window. Select File, Save Objects As, and Save as Objects 3. Task 4. Using the highlight feature. Ensure that the objects 3, test, and the flight reservation window are open. From the UFT menu bar, select Resources, Object Repository. The Object Repository window is displayed. In the Object Repository tree, select the New Order object. Click the highlight in the Application button. Task 5. Using the Locate in Repository feature. On the Object Repository toolbar, click the Locate in Repository button. Observe how the UFT window hides and the flight reservation application is activated. In the flight reservation window, click the first radio button. Click the OK button. Close the object repository. Task 6. Using the Object Spy feature. Ensure that the flight reservation window is open. From the UFT menu bar, select Resources, Object Repository. The Object Repository window is displayed. On the Object Repository toolbar, click the Object Spy button. Click the pointing hand button in the Object Spy window in the toolbar. The mouse cursor changes to a pointing hand. In the flight reservation window, click the Total Edit field with the hand pointer. The Object Spy window shows the object properties for the total field. Click the Add Objects to Repository button in the toolbar. Close the Object Spy window. Click the highlight in the Application button. Task 7. Adding a new object. Click the Define New Test Object button. From the Environment list, select Standard Windows. From the Class list, select Win button. In the Name field, type Cancel. In the Test Object Details section, click the Value column for the text property and type Cancel. Click the Add button in the Define New Test Object window. Click the Close button in the Define New Test Object window. The new object is added under the Flights table object. Open the Flights table in the Flight Reservation window. In the Object Repository window, select the Cancel button and click the Highlight in the Application button. Click OK in the Unified Functional Testing message box. Click Object Update from Application. The cursor changes to a pointing hand. Click the Cancel button on the Flights table. Click OK button. Close the repository window. Save the test as working with Object 7 under the UFT 160 Labs folder. Click Cancel button in the flight table window. In the flight reservation dialog, click the New Order button. Run the test to ensure that the objects are working. Close UFT. Okay.